हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ सागर, वर्किंग एज असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन आरपीआईटी कैंपस। आज हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं अपना नया सब्जेक्ट जिसका नाम है हमारा एमरजेंस ऑफ साइबर स्पेस। इस सब्जेक्ट के अंदर हमारा फर्स्ट टॉपिक है इंट्रोडक्शन टू साइबर स्पेस। Let's start first with the definition. According to definition, cyberspace is a term used to describe the non-physical terrain created by computer system, the internet, and digital communication. It is a virtual environment in which electronic data is stored, shared, and communicated. The term cyberspace first coined by William Gibson in his novel Neuromancer in 1984. In this novel, it encompasses the internet, intranet, LAN, WANs, and all forms of digital communication. It is a metaphorical space where digital interaction happen, such as browsing website, email, gaming, and streaming. This was the definition of cyberspace. Let's discuss about the evolution of our cyberspace. In early beginnings, it started with the development of ARPANET, which was started in 1960 to 1970. ARPANET means Advanced Research Project Agency Network by US military. This was the first project which introduced us to the internet. In 1980s, personal computer began to connect via bulletin boards and modems. And next in 1990s, internet became publicly accessible, emergence of website, email, and search engines. And in 2020s to present, exploration of Web 2.0, social media, cloud computing, and mobile technologies are happening. These are the earlier stages of internet. Now let's discuss about the advancement. Technological advancement like fiber optics, 5G, and satellite internet boosted connectivity. Smartphones and IoT expanded access and created digital ecosystem. Rise of AI, blockchain, virtual reality, and metaverse reshaped cyber interactions. There are some characteristics of cyberspace. First is global, no geographic boundaries, connect people worldwide. It is virtual, it exists in software, servers, not physically tangible. Third feature is decentralized, no central authority, governed by multiple stakeholders. Real time, its communication and interaction occur instantly. Accessible, open to anyone with internet and digital devices. These are some characteristics of cyberspace. There are some legal and social implications. Like with the rise of cyberspace came challenges in terms of legal, like jurisdiction over online crimes, enforcement of cyber laws across borders, data protection and privacy laws, intellectual property and copyright issues. There are some social challenges also, like the digital divide, cyberbullying and online harassment, misinformation and fake news, dependency on virtual identities. Let's discuss about the cyberspace versus the physical space. In cyberspace, the nature is virtual and intangible, but opposite to that physical space, it is tangible and physical. In speed, cyberspace is instantaneous communication, while the physical space is limited by physical movement. If we talk about the control, cyberspace is diffuse multi-jurisdiction, but physical space is controlled by nation states. If we talk about security, cyberspace requires digital protection like encryption, firewalls. But if we talk about physical space, the physical space provides physical security like police, law enforcement, etc. There are some terms like cyberspace and law. Traditional laws weren't designed for the borderless, anonymous nature of cyberspace. This led to the emergence of cyber law. A legal domain dealing specifically with rights, crime, policies regarding to digital interactions. Government created frameworks like IT Information Technology Act 2000 in India to address cyber crime and data misuse. Relevance in the today's world, like e-commerce, online education, telemedicine, remote work, and digital payments rely heavily on cyberspace. Countries view cyberspace as a critical infrastructure requiring cyberspace policies. Rise of cyber warfare, digital espionage, and cyber terrorism demands international cooperation. This is the overview of cyberspace. In this we discuss about the relevance, their cyberspace and the law, their characteristic, their difference between physical space, their legal and social implications, and how they are started. This is all about this video. Thank you.